Hi, today I'm making a couple of Halloween treats, which is brooms and candied monsters. So they're very simple treats. I'm going to begin with just a few of these ingredients, and I'll just talk through or talk about these very simple treats. They're easy to make. So I'm starting with several Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, maybe about 9. And I'm also using pretzels, and I'm using the pretzels that are very thin. They look almost like twigs, and so they work well for this Halloween treat. The Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are room temperature, so I'm peeling those and I'm just turning them upside down on parchment paper. And again, you want them to be room temperature because it'll make it easier when you're using the pretzel as the broom handle. And so you're just going to insert the pretzel into the Reese's peanut butter cups, and you have the simplest and easy Halloween treat ever. It's a great little appetizer for your next Halloween party. And these are witches' brooms. The next thing I'm making with the ingredients that I shared at the beginning are candied monsters. So these are butterscotch haystacks. And essentially, these candied monsters consist of two ingredients, basically butterscotch morsels, and I'm using 2 cups here. And you're just going to melt these 2 cups of butterscotch morsels in the microwave for a couple of minutes. But you're also using 1 package of crispy chow mein noodles. So those are the two ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and put some parchment paper out because we're going to scoop the haystacks onto the parchment paper. Now I'm stirring out a few lumps in the butterscotch because we want it to be as creamy as possible. And so I'm just, again, it's only been a couple of minutes. You don't want it to burn, so you have to be careful about how long you leave it in the microwave. However, once it is, a consistency you like, we're going to go ahead and add the crispy noodles. And we just add those and we're going to stir those up and make sure that they're well coated. And then we'll take them. I just use my spoon to basically transfer them over into on the parchment paper. And I have my candied eyeballs to bring the candy monsters to life. And I'm placing those on the haystacks. This takes about 10 minutes for the butterscotch to harden. And there you have it. You have your Halloween treat of candied monsters.